Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Forex PKS. So today is 24 August. Today is Tuesday. Check out the disclaimer.
Disclaimer. Be advised that I am not a professional financial consultant or advisor. I am sharing this information for education purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, prices, or other information contained on this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video.
Okay, let's check out the calendar first. Let's see what happened. So yesterday was a lot of PMI numbers. All the PMI numbers coming out from the Eurozone, the Britain, US. So the Eurozone average, okay, French is above expectation. German is mixed result. Manufacturing drop, but services went up above expectation. The whole Euro zone manufacturing dropped a little bit, okay, a little bit below expectation. Also dropped to compare to previous number. So fresh services PMI slightly over expectation, so not too bad. Okay, go to the, let's see, Britain, okay, not bad. Britain, the manufacturing PMI went up, but the services went down, okay, due to the COVID, COVID scare over there. But US actually did quite bad, okay, the manufacturing PMI dropped and also below expectation. Also services both also below expectation, where services is way below expectation. Okay, continue to drop. Okay, so slightly the numbers are slightly weaker from the USD. That's why we saw a slight drop in USD. So today, Tuesday, no big impact news. So tomorrow also not too many big impact news. We got German business climate and also core durable goods order, right? So this is not too big. And Thursday we got a big one. We got a GDP, okay, quarterly from US, and also unemployment claims. Okay, and Friday, remember, Fed Chair Powell going to speak again. So also, okay, and this one, Jackson Hole Symposium. This one also is a central bankers meeting. Okay, so this one we have some volatility over here. So today's look like whatever happened yesterday, okay, will continue today because there's no big news. Today, tomorrow, most likely will continue. Okay, let's look at the chart. So DXY, okay, DXY went up, came back down. So this is a false break. Okay, so now we see a false break over here, this area, right? So we expect, okay, this area to hold. Okay, if the price to continue go up, okay, we expect this area to hold. Support one area. Now support one is an area, okay, no longer a line, okay, because we got two top here, one top and two top. Okay, so the price reverse down, looks like you want to come down to support two. Okay, so a rebound at support two, possible a buy opportunity over here, or okay, possible it came back lower, okay, for a buy opportunity. Let's label this support 3. So we are still buying. We are not we are not selling this, right? Okay, because the trend is very much still on an uptrend. Okay, so we are still buying this. Euro USD similar. Okay, we are still selling this. Resistance 1, resistance 3. I think we need to mark resistance 3. Because it could go through. It could go through the resistance 2. So let's mark resistance 3 first. Okay, so the price came back down, false break. We got a false break over here. So what we want to see, okay, a rebound, possible a rebound over resistance 2, okay, there's a buy opportunity, or a rebound further down from resistance 3, okay, there's a buy opportunity here. So we are still looking to buy on this retracement. 1.1852 or 1.17683. USDJPY no direction, okay, still have to wait and see. So Australian dollar USD also started to have a retracement, okay, so so there's possibility to buy at resistance 2, 0.72, sell, 0.7258, or okay, a retracement deeper towards resistance 3 also, okay, possible sell opportunity 0.7325. Look at USDCAD. So USDCAD big drop, okay, big reversal, okay, this is still our idea is still buying this. So let's look at resistance 2, okay. If the price comes to resistance 2 and rebound, okay, there's a possibility of buy opportunity at resistance 2, or it might still drop down to lower, okay, the price drop very fast. We need to label our additional label. When the price moves very fast, right, you rarely see me put resistance 3, right, only resistance support 1, support 2, okay. When you see I label support 3, that means the trend is moving quite fast, okay. When you see I label resistance 3 and support 3, that means the trend is going quite fast. Okay, so this one, possible support 2 rebound buy opportunity, or support 3 rebound, okay, possible buy opportunity. Pound look like a double bottom, but don't call it first until it's properly formed, okay. A lot of people like to call it first before it's properly formed, okay. So we want it to break the neckline only, okay, we call this a double bottom. So now we are still selling this. The idea is still selling. So the price already went to resistance 2. Okay. So let's label resistance 3 also. Okay, so we are looking for sell opportunity here or here. Okay, resistance 2 and resistance 3, the rejection at this area, okay, will give us a possible sell opportunity. New Zealand dollar USD, okay, now the price is retracing back to resistance 1, okay, this one we are not labeling resistance 3, means this reverse is not so fast. So, okay, any opportunity, okay, any rejection over here for opportunity to sell resistance 1 or resistance 2, okay, any sell opportunity 0.6934 and 0.7065. So gold has finally broken through, okay. These are no go zone, okay, no trade zone, so it's broken up. So for me, right, I still want to wait for retest, okay, I want to wait for retest. Breakthrough, retest, resumption, okay. So only I will go for a trade. Let's look at 4 hours, see how the retest in progress. Not too strong a retest, this one, okay, this retest is not so strong. Okay, but it's still doing a retest, okay, so possible if the price came back down, okay, this is a short-term retest, the price came back down, okay, went back above, okay, this previous candle over here, this top over here, right, so there is a possibility, okay, to buy, okay, this is a very short-term retest. Yes, it is retesting, okay. So when gold is moving so fast, there's possibility that we might take this short-term retest, or not to wait for the big retest, because the big retest might come after a long while. Okay, this how retest, this big retest. Okay, so we might want to take a 4-hour retest. This 4-hour retest, possible there's opportunity to buy over here. Okay, so look at this, the 4-hour. If you're taking the 4-hour retest, make sure, okay, make sure that you need to wait for the candle close, the 4-hour candle close above the, okay, the previous high over here, then only, okay, opportunity to go in. So Aussie dollar, SPI. So already broke through, okay, price already broke through the resistance over here that we mark here, okay, because we got a 2 pin bar over here. So once the price break through this second pin bar, right, there's opportunity to buy towards resistance 2727624. Next also, once the price goes through this support 1.15829, right, so there's a buy possibility to buy towards resistance 16048. So these are the highlighted possible trade. Nasdaq already broke, okay, Nasdaq already broke the all-time high. This is very positive, okay, this you shall not pass, right, it already broke through. So we wait for a retest resumption for a buy, okay, for a buy setup. Dow Jones, we talk about this 2 pin bar. Once the price break through this pin bar and break through this resistance 135128, right, there's a possibility to buy, okay, towards target R2 35591. So SPX, we are waiting for a 4-hour close above, okay, at least a 4-hour close above resistance 14491 for buy opportunity. So the price haven't closed above, so we are still waiting for it. Bitcoin still holding, okay, so this one we don't trade, that's why we do not look at the micro, okay, the micro movement price action, okay, we just look for the trend, okay, how the trend is doing, because we are not trading this. When we are trading, we want to see the price action, every candle we need to take account, okay. But this one we buy and hold, we just look the whole trend, see whether the whole trend is still doing well, it's still healthy. Okay, when the trend, once the trend show that it's not healthy, means when it drop below 40,000, then we might think of exit first. Okay, as long as the trend is healthy, we don't look at the micro because this one we are not trading this one. We are buying and holding. So similar, okay, still the sellers still trying to defend the breakout. Okay, this one if yesterday, right, if this Bitcoin managed to break and hold above this area, right, this consolidation area, Bitcoin would have starting to blast to 100,000 on its way, okay, on its way to 60,000 probably. But the sellers at the last minute push it down, okay. So there's still manipulation here. Ethereum also, okay, it broke through then came back down, so there's no clean break. So we don't see a big spike yet, okay. So it's still holding, so there are still manipulation inside. So this one wait and see, okay, we don't see the micro, so we just follow the trend, okay, because we are not trading this, okay, we are buying and holding. Okay, so we don't need to check this every few hours, because this is not, okay, this is not something that we are trading. Okay, so we got a bullish trend line. Once the price drop down below the bullish trend line, then the trend could have turned, okay, slightly. Then we might have a longer term retracement. Okay, so the uptrend trend line is still strong, still holding for all this. Okay, so looks still okay. So do me a favor, okay, remember to like and share my channel, okay, and also do subscribe, okay, so that every day, every morning, 11 o'clock Singapore time GMT +8, I will upload my daily forecast, and check out my Twitter, okay, so anything after that I will post in my Twitter. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you from Kovic. Bye bye.